Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about geometric mean. Number one, find the missing term. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 missing terms. So the given are, I will let this one from here up to this. I will use this one as A1 and then this will be AN. So my A1 is equal to -4. And then my a sub n equals -64. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Now my question is, what is my r? So I need to solve r. So by using the general formula, an is equal to a1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. So my an is -64. And then my a sub 1 is -4. Then times r, n, I have here 5. And then minus 1. So I will divide this one both sides by -4. So cross out -4. So this will be r, 5 minus 1 is 4, is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. I have here 64 divided by 4. So r to the 4th is equal to, what is 64 divided by 4? That is 16. Now think a number that raised to the power of 4 so that I could cross out exponent of 4. So let's say 2 raised to the power of, since this is 4, so this will be also equal to 4. So what is 2 to the power of 4? So this will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So this is correct. So this will be r4 is equal to, the base must be 2 then raised to 4. Since they have the same exponents, so cross out. So my common ratio is equal to 2. Okay, I can solve the missing terms. Since my r is 2, then I will multiply it in here. This will be, let's say, a2, because this is my a1, a3, a4, and this is a5. So a2 is equal to a1 times r. So a1 is -4 times 2. So my a2 or a sub 2 is equal to -8. How about my a3? a3 is equal to a2 times r. a2 is -8 times r is 2. So my a3 is -16. So this is -16. And then my a4, a3 times r. So my a sub 3 is -16, and then multiply by the common ratio, which is 2. And we know that -16 times 2 is -32. So this is -32. How about if we will check a5, if it is correct? So a5, this will be a5. a5 is equal to a4 times r. So a4 is -32 times the common ratio, which is 2. So this is -64. So therefore, this is checked. Now let's find also these missing terms. So backward, okay? Take note, if this will be forward, so just multiply by r. R, small r, sorry. Multiply by r. And then the opposite of multiplication, that will be division. So divide r. So since I have here, this is -4 if backward, so I need to divide. So my a1 should be divided by r. So my a1 is -4 divided by the common ratio, which is 2. So this will be equal to -2. So therefore, this is -2. How about the last, or this will be the first or the missing term? So this will be negative 2 divided by r, or this will be equal to negative 2 over 2. So therefore, this is negative 1. So I have here negative 1, negative 2, negative 8, negative 60, negative 32. So if you check this one by multiplying, going forward, so this will be negative 1 times 2. That will be equal to negative 2. This is check. And then check this one. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And then negative 4 times 2, that is negative 8. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. And then negative 16 multiplied by 2, that is negative 32. And then negative 32 multiplied by 2 is negative 64. So that's for number 1. Now let's move to number 2. So number 2, so you have 5, 10, and then 20. Then the missing terms. So I should write the given first. The given, so A1 is the first term. I have 5. And then I don't have A sub n, but I have the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equals 6 terms. An is unknown. Then I have to use this formula. An is equals to A sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So this will be A1, that is 5. By the way, how to solve the ratio for this given 5, 10, 20? So all you have to do is r is equal to A2 over A1. So where's my A2? This one is A2, this one is A1, A2, then this will be A3. So R1 is equal to A2 over A1. So what is my A2? A2 is 10. Then my A1 is 5. So 10 divided by 5, that will be equal to 2. How about my R2? I will check if they are the same. So R2 will be A3 over A2. So what is my A2? Sorry, A3. A3 is 20. Then I should divide by 10. So this will be equal to 2. So therefore, my common ratio is equal to 2. So I just add in here. So R equals to 2. So by using the formula, An is equals to A1 times R n minus 1. So this will be A1 is 5 times R n is 6, then minus 1. By the way, this will be 2. Sorry, this is 2. So this will be 5. Then 2, 6 minus 1 is 5. So this will be 5 times, what is 2 to the power of 5? 2 to the power of 5 is equal to, multiply itself 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4, 8, 16, 32. So this will be equal to 32. So this is 32. And then 5 times 32. 32 times 5. This is 10, carry 1, 15, 16. So this is 160. So therefore, my last term is 160. So take note, my common ratio is equal to 2. So I need to multiply. So this will be 20 times 2. This is 40. So this is now 40. And the next is 40 times my common ratio, which is 2. This is 80. And then to check my A sub n, or my last term, so this will be 80 times 2. That will be equal to 160. So that's all for my geometric mean topic.